This is by far my favorite silk press I've done, and I want to share all the tips that I have and how I achieved this. I've tried a lot of products for a silk press or a flat iron, but so far these are by far my favorite. That Briogeo mask is Chef's Kiss. Steaming my hair is a crucial step in my hair routine and wash day. Not just for flat ironing, but overall just for my hair growth and hair care period. So please, if you can, include hair steaming. So I'm spraying my hair with the Tresemme, and if you notice, I point the nozzle down when I am blow drying my hair. I always do this just to prevent any frizz as much as possible. And I also hold my hair to create some tension just to make sure it gets straight as possible at the roots. This color makes me feel like a lioness. Like, it's just so pretty. If you want to see how I got this color, I do have it on my YouTube shorts, but I might make an updated video, so let me know if you want to see that. After I got done blow drying, I can already tell that I was going to need a trim. Flat iron is my time to make sure I get rid of any split ends. I do that throughout the year, but this is my time to actually do a haircut. So this was my first time using the BioSilk Therapy, and when I tell y'all, that will be a staple going forward. Immediately when I put it on my hair, like, my hair instantly felt softer and it was just perfect. So also, if you notice, I am using the brush. Now this is also a huge key for me in my hair. I have used a comb, I've used a soft bristle brush, I've used like certain tools, but I notice my hair does the best when I use this brush, the hard bristle. I don't know what it is. It's just something about it, and it just makes my hair a lot straighter. And if you notice how I'm holding it, it just keeps my hair very taut and very, very nice. So also, as I'm flat ironing, I try to make sure that I am taking small parts. The bigger the parts, the more fluffier it'll be, which is fine. Sometimes I'm looking for that. But when I'm trying to get it straighter, just make sure you take very fine parts. I think this is where I decided I really wanted bangs. I like that I was growing out my hair, but it's just something about layers and just having some volume in my hair that just makes me happy. I was not sad to see that hair go. I don't even know why I made that face. See ya. Okay. Give me the bang. But anyways, so yeah, if you do have a hot comb, I would definitely recommend using that. For me, it just helps me get my edges a lot better. But I usually don't try to use them too often because they're just a bit too hot. So I think the small flat irons is a good option. So after my hair is straightened and I have a good cut, I like to go in and curl it at about 380. And then I will pin curl it right away just to preserve my curls. I like to do it when it's hot. It's a tip that I learned in beauty school. I find that it works for me. And I do like to put a little bit of hairspray after I'm done, but that's totally optional. So to preserve my hair, I do like to pin curl it, or I put rollers in just to preserve it as best as possible throughout the week. When I'm taking my hair down the next day, I like to apply an oil, usually Olaplex or whatever oil you prefer, very lightweight. I do not use a heavy oil. And I'll put on edge control. I'm really not big on doing a whole lot to my edges just because I had a lot of breakage a couple of years ago. So you can check out that video too. It's on my YouTube shorts of how I grew my edges back if you would like to. But I usually just try to tie it down, and usually my hair covers it anyway, so I'm not too crazy about having them super sleek. But these are my final results, and I am just so in love with the cut. I'm in love with the color, and I think these will be a staple, the products that I use in my routine. But make sure if you have any comments, just let me know, and thank you for watching.